its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Easy understanding details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 3. Room category 4. Room category 5. Room category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guest will be required to present photo ID and check. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 9 categories of rooms are available online and in reviews. 7 hotels are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and rating policies. You are transferred to the link provided in the description. For more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.